Something that has never been done before is difficult at best, but we did it. We did not just improve the electric motor, we changed it. Welcome to Variant Motion. My name is Mike Cadillac, and I am the inventor and co-founder. Our products are created with energy savings in mind and a better future for all of us. When we first started this company, a friend of mine said to me, "Why are you trying to save the world when the world does not want to be saved?" I looked at him and said, "You know what, we're at a tipping point. And I know, I have faith that we want a better, healthier future for our children. But as the world grows, so does the energy needs." So then we decided it has to be energy savings. So we don't have to produce as much power. And we were surprised to find out that there was one product, that used 50% of the world's production of electricity. And that is the electric motor. They're everywhere. They're in our industry, they're in our homes, they're in our cars. Without the electric motor, our modern day society could not function.
One reason current motors are inefficient is heat. Heat equals energy loss. Here at Variant Motion, we have solved that problem with our revolutionary proprietary electric motor. We have dramatically reduced the heat loss and increased energy efficiency at any RPM. That, of course, leads to many other related savings, such as building our motor out of less expensive, sustainable material. Our motors are lighter, which reduces transportation costs. We have increased energy efficiency, meaning fewer kilowatt hours are used.
Hi, I'm Bob Klingberg. I'm a co-founder of a company called Variant Motion.
So Bob, what is your background?
I'm an electrical engineer in concentration on systems design and development. So where the mechanical and the electrical come together, that's where the fun begins.
Right.
Yeah.
What drew you to the company? What made you want to come in and work on this thing?
Really the efficiency and just how good this motor is and how much energy we can save and reduce our carbon footprint.
Have you ever seen this type of motor before?
No other motor works the way this one works.
The U.S. motor market will exceed $42 billion by 2026. Our first market, off-grid and low-grid fan ventilation system, which is $1.2 billion US.
We designed and built the off-grid passive solar home, and we've been living in it now for about the last several years. We don't have a heat recovery ventilation system to do just what I talked about, move fresh air in and old stale air out of the house. Looking for something that would run at about 10 watts for the whole total system, 5 in and 5 out. To do that, I could not do that. And then with Variant Motion, we beat my target of 10 watts for the whole system, and we're down at lower than 6 watts.
So that's 3 watts per motor.
3 watts per motor.
And our CFM is much higher than what you initially were looking for.
I was hoping to get 25 CFM moving in and out of the house, and with this motor at that 3 watts, we can get about 40 CFM in and out.
In and out.
So
Once we have made our name in that market, we will expand, offering licenses, agreements to any viable company interested in making an impact. Variant Motion motors run on low voltage DC. That means very large number of applications can run with only a 12-volt battery and a solar panel. Think about the possibilities. Remote locations, Peace Corps, developing countries, cabins, campers, and the military, in addition to all the other off-grid and on-grid applications. We want to make a difference in the world. We believe you do too. With our motor, we and you can have a direct impact on climate change, reducing energy consumption and CO2 emissions throughout the world. And don't forget, saving money. Help us make a difference. We invite you to join us.